Here are step-by-step instructions for creating Notan-inspired art piece. Your positive and negative paper grid art can be simple or intricate. Practice your skills with scissors by trying to make more complicated shape cutouts. Contrast is one of the principles of art which creates excitement and visual in artworks. It is the arrangement of opposite elements, for example, light versus dark in a composition. Two things that are very different have a lot of contrast. White and black have the greatest contrast. Complementary colors also have high contrast. Here are the materials you will need to complete this art piece. Black construction paper or cardstock cut to 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters. A variety of colored paper cut to 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. A glue stick and scissors. First, cut a shape from the side of the colored paper square. You can cut simple shapes like triangles, squares, and half circles. Then you can try zigzags, abstract wavy shapes, half hearts, arrows, or even swirls. Just be sure to save the cutout shape. So here I got two pieces of paper here. So I'm going to use my glue stick and I'm going to glue the square shape into the upper left-hand corner of the black paper. Try not to get too much glue on your fingers, as this will show up on the black paper. So line it up right in the corner. Once you have it in position, apply a little bit of pressure to get it nice and smooth and flat. Take that cutout piece and you almost want to flip it over to match it up and really line it up with the edge there. Once you kind of have an idea of the position, you can glue that into place. And this is the process you will do for each paper square. So now we're going to line up one of those 5 centimeter squares above the black paper to help you place the next square and its matching cutout. You can also use a ruler and just measure 5 centimeters. That way you know the square piece is going to line up. When starting the second row, switch the order that the pieces are glued down. Lay out the shape piece first, then the square piece. Continue cutting and gluing, working your way across the paper to complete rows. Don't forget to switch the order each time you start a new row. You can also cut two or more shapes from one square. Just match them up and flip them over to glue. I did that a few times in this particular art piece and in other examples as well. If you look at how the pink heart is done. Here is the finished art piece. As you can see, it is a very bold and eye-catching design. It looks complicated, but it is really quite simple.